Hi friends, welcome to Science Easy Tech channel, Nursing Made Easy. In this video, we are going to discuss about clotting factors and two interesting mnemonics in order to remember the clotting factors easily. Before moving on to the topic, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, kindly take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the topic. How to remember clotting factors. We all know that clotting factors plays a vital role in blood clotting. So let's see what are all the clotting factors. Factor 1 fibrinogen, factor 2 prothrombin, factor 3 tissue thromboplastin, factor 4 calcium ions, factor 5 labile factor, factor 7 stable factor, factor 8 antihemophilic factor, factor 9 Christmas factor or plasma thromboplastin component, factor 10 Stewart Prower factor, factor 11 plasma thromboplastin antecedent, factor 12 Hageman factor, factor 13 fibrin stabilizing factor. Have you noticed that between factor 5 and factor 7 I have marked it in red color? What is the reason? Where is factor 6? Factor 6 named axillarin has been eliminated from the clotting factors list. Why it is so? Because factor 6 axillarin has no effect in blood clotting. That's why they have eliminated factor 6 axillarin from the clotting factors list. Now let's see two interesting mnemonics in order to remember the clotting factors in order. The first mnemonic is very interesting because many of us in our college days have freshers party. So freshers party means itself full of fun, singing and dancing and so on. So this first mnemonic is very special to me. It takes back me to my college life. Let's see the first mnemonic. Freshers party tonight. Come on, let's sing and call the seniors. Please have fun. Freshers party tonight. Come on, let's sing and call the seniors. Please have fun. Let's see the second mnemonic. Foolish people try climbing long slopes. After Christmas, some people have fallen. Foolish people try climbing long slopes. After Christmas, some people have fallen. So how we have to relate this mnemonic to the clotting factors? The first letter in each mnemonic words and also the first letter in clotting factors, I have marked it in red color. So you have to relate this first letter in the mnemonic words to the first letter in the clotting factors words. Okay, so F stands for fibrinogen, P stands for prothrombin, T stands for tissue thromboplastin, C stands for calcium, L stands for labile factor, S stands for stable factor, A stands for antihemophilic factor, C stands for Christmas factor, S stands for Stewart Prower factor, P stands for plasma thromboplastin antecedent, H stands for Hageman factor, F stands for fibrin stabilizing factor. See, in this tabular column, I have given sixth factor, that is axillarin. But this axillarin is now eliminated from the clotting factor list. That's why I have marked in 2 marks. Okay, so don't get confused. Just to know the name of the factor alone I have mentioned it here, but now it has been totally eliminated from the clotting factors list. Now axillarin is not in the clotting factors list. So keep that in mind. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it. Thank you friends.